Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Today we are featuring a 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass S. This one here is featured in a red. It's supposedly a 2012 Cadillac color, which we think is crystal red tint coat, which would be the same as the Corvettes as well. And it looks beautiful in this car. We'll start back here in the trunk. I'll show you the trunk lid is very nice and tidy. It's got the jack stickers. Inside the trunk we have an Oldsmobile floor mat. I'll put that up there. Nice Oldsmobile floor mat. We got the year one catalog. It has a modern stereo system in it. That's what it's in it. But it still looks vintage. Here's your convertible top boot. And it's got nice carpet in here. Looks fresh. And just to show you here how solid it is on the trunk, it's spackle coated as GM did back then. And it just looks great back here. I don't see any rust or holes. I'll go ahead and shut this. You can see the gaps are very nice. The paint shows really well in this car. Very nice. The trim is nice. See the Cutlass Oldsmobile bumpers. It's got dual exhaust. And I'm trying to see if I can get underneath. Fuel tank looks good. It's black underneath. Looks great. Got your nice Oldsmobile side marker light. It lights up. It's got the Oldsmobile rims on it. They are 15-inch rims, so it's a little bit bigger. Gives it a more modern feel. It's wrapped in BF Goodrich radial TAs. These are 235 70R15s, and they're the same all the way around. I'll show you the front here. Same size tire. It's painted to match the paint as well. We got drum brakes all the way around on this car. We'll move to the door panel here. It's got white interior. It presents well. The trim is in pretty darn good condition. This car was restored back in 2012, guys, and they hardly ever drove it since. I'll show you underneath the doors here. Spectacular. Inside the door jambs, clean. Your skid plate, your Fisher skid plate, that might be original, guys. It looks great. This was mainly a one family owned car. I don't know if it was they were the original owners or not, but they bought it very recently when it was new. Convertible top was down. The boot is in the trunk, like I said. It's a power top. I'm going to show you the dash here. I do have the glove box open because I wanted to show you. It's got some fuses in there. Here are your original owner's manual. Very cool. You got some more options here for the Oldsmobile, and you got your warranty card and the plastic that it came in from the original dealer. So very neat. Go ahead and shut that. I'm going to show you the dash here. Trim is in great condition. The dash panel, I don't see any cracks, which is good. That's very common on these old cars. The carpet looks brand new. That was obviously replaced when it was restored. The seats are in good condition. I think it's the original material, but they did refoam it so it's more fresh. It has seat belts. All the seat belts do work, and they come out. They're just tucked away. Nice red seat belts. They look fresh as well. Ashtrays in the rear here. Your roll-up window. All the windows go up and down nice. And we'll go ahead and shut this door here. I'll show you just the shine on this car. This color is stunning. It's just a sweetheart of a car. I'll show you the door trim here. The handles look almost new. Trim around the windshield is not perfect, but it's in really good condition. Here's your Cutlass S badging. You can just see the paint is striking. The bumpers look good. The headlights look good. The grille looks good. I mean, there's always something wrong with these old cars, but then you gotta say that this one is in really good condition. None of them are perfect, I can tell you that. Underneath, you can see it has the gold oil pan. It is black under there, like I said. Try to show you the bottom there. Underneath the hood, it has the insulation, and then it has a 350 Oldsmobile Rocket 350. I believe it produces about 310 horsepower, and it's got the gold paint to match, as it was back in the day. Nice radiator. This one does have power steering, and then it has power brakes as well. A nice new battery. I'll go ahead and shut this hood here. And you can see just the glimmer on it. Show you the gaps. Very nice. After they restored this car 10 years ago, they hardly ever drove it, I'm told. Trim is in great shape here. I'll scan down here to the wheel. These wheels look like brand new. The tires look great. Back to this wheel here. Looks very nice. Let's come back to the door jambs here. Just see how the doors are. It looks solid. These guys really took care of this car. And they had a collection of cars, so they didn't get to drive them all at once. So door jambs look good. As I said, the cranks work nice, up and down. Handle work. Mirrors in great condition. There's your trim there. I'll show you the carpet here. Carpet's nice and fresh. Your pedals. It has not air conditioning, but air vents that open up, and that actually really helps driving these cars. Just getting that fresh air in. Dash is painted here. Steering column is painted. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the car, and I'll fire it up for you guys. Oop, wipers work. Headlights will turn on here. Here we have our fuel gauge, and then we have our speedometer. 62,051 miles, not kilometers. We believe that's the original mileage on this car, but we can't be certain that it was. The motor was rebuilt when it was restored though, and we think it's numbers block, but we're not sure about that. Here you have your ignition. It's an automatic transmission on the column here. I believe it's a 3-speed. The heater does work. Blower, you can hear. Here's your cigarette lighter. Another ashtray. Back in the day, you needed those. And your radio. And get it to go here. Yeah, it's working. And then your power top. Show you what it looks like here. And I'm going to go ahead and put the top up. Show you how well this power top works. Look at this, 1969, just going up like nothing. It goes down just as beautiful. Perfect. And then this just clips in here. And then this one clips down here. Go ahead and open this door here. Give it a rev. There we go. Not too loud, nothing crazy. Still sounds like a nice old car. But nothing to drive you crazy. Let's come up to the front here. We got our high beams on. The car looks great. Sounds good. Again, that paint is just glimmering. I'll show you what it looks like with the top up here. This car looks good with the top up or down, in my opinion. Oh, I do want to show you underneath. I can get underneath here and show you how clean it is under here. Very nice. All right, we'll come to the back here. Take a moment of silence. Oldsmobile Cutlass S Rocket 350 automatic is here and available at munromotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon, guys.